Hi, I am going to be showing you what happens if COC start loading screen. Okay, now I am going to run this. See that data connection is already turned on. It is not responding at all. Okay, now again turn on. Now see, it is stuck on just on this loading screen. This is not going further. Okay, now let's fix it. Go to the Play Store. Search SuperVPN. Install it. I have already installed it and I have also updated version. Now open it. It says finish loading. Okay, let that load. Now continue. Connect here. Preparing. SuperVPN is connected. Now wow, problem fixed. But please like and subscribe my channel.